How to activate your TD Bank debit card online. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will learn how we can activate TD Bank debit card online. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to visit the official website, that is www.td.com. After that, you have to log into the online banking. So here at the top right, tap on login and then you have to choose your personal. After that, enter your username and your password, and then after click on or tap on login in order to access your account. So once you're logged in, head towards the account or the customer service tab, and there find and then tap activate a card or look for other options under card services. Then you have to enter your card details. Enter your debit card number, confirm your personal information. Once done, you have to review your details and then tap on activate. After that, you will see a confirmation message stating that your card is now active and ready to use. So that's how you can activate your TD Bank debit card online, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.